A question from section 184, disclosure of interest of the director, appeared in May 2018, carrying 4 marks. The concept given in section 184.1, every director shall at the first meeting of the company, how he is participating, in which he is participating as a director, and thereafter at the first meeting of the board in every financial year, suppose there is a change or whenever there is any change in the disclosure already made, then at the first board meeting held after such a change, what shall the director do? Disclose his concern or interest in any company, companies or body corporates, firm or other association of individual, which shall include the shareholding in such manner as may be prescribed. There is a form called MBP1 in which he shall say what is his shareholding and what is his directorship in such entities. The question is asked, when does a director required to disclose his interest to the company as per section number 184 of the Companies Act? The answer is participating as a director in the first board meeting, first meeting of the board in every financial year, first meeting of the board held after any change in disclosure already made, he has to make the disclosure. This is a general disclosure. Then there is a specific disclosure. Section number 184.2 says that every director of a company who is in any way, whether directly or indirectly, concerned or interested in a contract or arrangement or proposed contract or arrangement entered into or to be entered into with whom, with the body corporate, in which such a director or such a director in association with any other director of the company hold how much? More than 2% what? Shareholding of that body corporate, or this director is a promoter, manager, chief executive officer of that body corporate. This is one limp of it. The second limp is that with the firm or other entity in which such a director is a partner or a owner or a member, as the case may be, he shall disclose the nature of his concern or interest at the meeting of the board in which the contract or arrangement is discussed, and he shall not participate in such a meeting. This is a specific disclosure with reference to a contract or arrangement entered or proposed to be entered. What are all the consequences of non-disclosure? Section 184.3 says that it is a voidable. The contract or arrangement is voidable. A contract or arrangement entered into by the company without a disclosure under subsection 2 or with the participation by the director who is concerned or interested in any way directly or indirectly in the contract or arrangement, then such a contract or arrangement shall be voidable at the option of the company. Second consequence, if a director of the company contravenes the provisions of section 184.1, general disclosure, 184.2, specific disclosure, such a director shall be liable to a penalty of ₹1 lakh. Section 167C, 167 talks about vacation of office. The director who acts in contravention of provision section number 184 relating to entering into a contract or arrangement in which he is directly or indirectly interested, not disclosing or participating, or he fails to disclose his interest in any contract or arrangement in which he is directly or indirectly interested in contravention of the provisions of section 184, then such a director shall vacate his office of directorship. So therefore there are two consequences personally, penalty as well as vacation of office. With reference to the contract can also be voidable at the option of the company. So marks awarded are 4 for this particular question.